The lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Given a circle with center OP is an exterior point. PA and PB are two tangents to the circle from P. We have to prove that PA is equal to PB. Proof: join O to A, O to B and O to P. Since angle between tangents and radii is 90 degrees, angle OBP is equal to angle OAP is equal to 90 degrees. Now, in the two right triangles, triangle OAP and triangle OBP, OA is equal to OB, as they are the radii of the same circle, and OP is equal to OP, since it is a common side for both triangles. Therefore, by RHS congruency axiom, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP. Since corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, therefore PA is equal to PB. Therefore, the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal.